Welcome to the Rules of the Road YouTube page. I'm Zach Rule, and today we are taking on that. My parents just bought this place, a cabin up in northern Wisconsin, and they hired Julie and me to renovate it. They purchased the property today, and we have exactly 2 weeks to turn it into an Airbnb. We have to do a complete flip, redo the flooring, paint, update some appliances, update the kitchen, update the bathroom, redo the bedrooms, redo the main room, get a bunch of new Cabin Northwoods decor, and we want to redo a bunch of the outside too. We got to build some great steps and a walkway down to the beach and the dock. I really want to build a floating dock on an old pontoon that came with the place, and we might have a few other fun things up our sleeve. To start, demo day. We got to rip everything out. Let's go.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Right here, we got the flooring that we're gonna put into place. It is a luxury vinyl plank that looks like wood, but it is very durable, waterproof, perfect for an Airbnb. Check that out. That looks nice.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking.
Quick update. Still looks like a little bit of a storm went through here. We got a lot of mess and a lot of things going on. Julie, say hi. The flooring is in and it looks great. This engineered vinyl plank is super durable, waterproof, and it looks beautiful. Check it out. That's the real beauty of this cabin on the lake. We also, here in the kitchen, got all the cabinets painted. They look great, white with new hardware on them. Bathroom update. We got to do something about this. The vanity with this mirror light combo, drain stack, water heater. Something's got to give.
Here. Say what's up, dude. Hey, people. We have the head cameraman on site with us today.
So this year we went up to a friend's cabin in northern Minnesota. They had a floating dock, which just was awesome. It made the whole dock and lake area more of a hangout spot. So a project that I want to dive into is this pontoon. Came with the cabin. Looks pretty dirty, but I think it floats. Here's the engine. So what I am envisioning is we turn this into just a floating dock. We sell the engine, don't treat it as a boat anymore. Rip out the sides, rip this out, rip out the steering column, all the chairs, and just make it basically a floating deck. And come check out where that would be going. Beautiful view out here. And imagine if right here, there's a floating platform that basically is 10 feet by 20 feet And you can come, you can put a grill down here, Adirondack chairs, a nice patio furniture set, coolers, and then that's just a hangout spot during the day. Shoot, you could even tow that thing out into the lake and swim out from it. Oh.
Think about the things we used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you?
Heading into our favorite store.
Good old Menards.
We're getting lumber for the deck, right? Outside.
Stairs and a little deck going down to the lake.
And the floating pontoon. That is 100 pieces of red cedar decking with some green treated joists, stair stringers, and some 4x4 posts down there somewhere. We'll get it all strapped up. Oh, I'm sweating profusely. How are you doing?
That was so much work.
Can you feel me?
Today's project, the stairs. We got all this decking, stringers, all of the good stuff to make a set of steps from here down to the beach. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, avoid. He jukes. Oh. Right down to the water. It's gonna be fun, I think. I've never done this before, but we're trying it out. We're gonna have steps to here where there's gonna be a landing that comes out for 4 feet and then steps down to the beach. And then maybe in the future, this landing could be built out sideways like a boardwalk. But that's getting a little too crazy for today. That's for tomorrow. Today is the steps. Let's go. It took about 6 hours, but we have finished the steps. Let's take a walk. Look at that. 8-foot platform. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. 4-foot platform. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're on the beach. Let's get a view right there with the cabin in the back. Now there's a really safe way to go up and down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, let's just keep walking on them. Oh, there weren't even steps here like 5, 6 hours ago. And now there is. We wanted one piece in the kitchen to remind people where the lake was, number one, and remind them to two, get out of the kitchen and get out onto the lake. So we have this leftover butcher block that I'm gonna paint lake with an arrow that we're gonna hang above the sink. See how it goes. So it didn't come out great. Not going above the kitchen, but good enough for the outside. Lake, that way. Oh, hi Mom, hi Julie.
Great work.
Update. Got the railings in. Check that out. The railing goes all the way down on the left and on the right stops here because this is a boardwalk that's gonna go to the dock. Gonna make a little bit of a backwards letter H. Over, dock, or down to the beach. Progress update on the pontoon. All of the railings are off. Now, for the steering column, chairs, motor, other chair, and then we can lay the decking down. Might be a one-day project. Right, Drew?
right.
The pontoon is getting pressure washed. Gotta clean it all out before the decking goes on.
It don't mean a thing what shape or form that you're in. The place you're from, your wealth, or the color of your skin. When all you had burns to the sky, it's all too late when you wonder why. Cornelia.
Whew. It started raining right at the end of our party barge, floating dock, floating deck installation. Time to go inside. Taking a break from work today, showing out the pontoon, floating deck to the middle of the lake. Are you having fun, J-Mo?
Oh, you're doing it right here?
Yeah, we're going on the, no, we're going on.
I'm not watching.
Yeah.
You're only going to be able to do it once. Go!
Let's go.
Oh my God! That was beautiful! Beautiful!
Morning coffee on the steps, right by the beach. Thinking about what we're doing today, which is the rest of this walkway to that. Trying to get the rest of the walkway done. We got a full team working. Look at that beaut. Talking to you, Dad. All from the same gene pool, he says. Got the platform going. Over to those steps that are gonna go down to the dock.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
So it is the day of the first renters coming. Julie and I were just doing some cleaning and prepping, and the house is ready to go. Let's go take a look.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Ooh.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Instagram. And if you are looking for an escape up to the lakes in northern Wisconsin, let us know. We got a great rental for you to stay in. Bye.